Hello guys, welcome to Dotnet Tutor. In this video, we will see about CSS syntax. In this CSS syntax, we will be giving like selector, which is nothing but a HTML element, and in this open brace and close brace, we will be giving like property and also value for the corresponding property. Let's see one example. Here, suppose h1 is an HTML element and color is the property and the value is red. So according to the requirement, we will give some properties and values for the particular HTML element. Let's create one solution. I already created one solution. Let's open this and add one HTML page. Here I'm adding one HTML page and search like here HTML. Got an HTML page. Rename it CSS part 1. Add this. We'll be getting this code intelligence. This is a pre-built code. Let's give some code here. Designing one heading here. Heading 1 and create one paragraph. Paragraph 1. So here we know we don't need this one, so I am removing. So let's add some style here. We need to add style under the head tag. So here I want to give style for heading h1 element, HTML element. We should give, I am giving one style for this one, and for paragraph also I am giving one style. So I'm giving here according to the syntax we will be having under the style tag, like we should mention HTML element, suppose h1, and open brace and close brace. Between this we'll be giving some property, like I want to give some color, so heading color must be red. I want to give, so for this HTML element the style is applying here as red color. So whatever the heading if we give, that heading will be in red color. And after that I'm giving a style for paragraph, and here the paragraph color is I'm giving blue. Just save this, Ctrl S, and run the solution. The file name is CSS part 1. So right, already we'll having CSS part 1 .html. Just enter. See, here we got the result as heading is red color, paragraph is blue color. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please check the playlist in .NET Tutor. Thank you.